Imagine this. A Chinese spaceship lands on the moon. It returns samples to Earth. Inside, scientists discover real water. Was that a myth or a game-changing moment in space history? Today we're answering that exact question. Did China really find water on the moon? Stay with me, because what they discovered might change everything about future space exploration. In December 2020, China launched the Chang'e mission, their most ambitious lunar project to date. It was the first mission in over 40 years to bring moon samples back to Earth. The lander touched down in an area called Hyannis Procellarum and collected about 1.7 kilograms of lunar soil and rock. While the world was focused on Mars and deep space, China quietly pulled off something historic. But here's where it gets fascinating. The Chang'e lander didn't just scoop up dust, it came equipped with a device called the Lunar Mineralogical Spectrometer. Using that, it detected signs of water right there on the moon's surface. This wasn't Earth-based analysis. This was the first ever on-site detection of lunar water. The readings showed about 120 parts per million of water in the surrounding soil. In one particular rock sample held up to 180 ppm. These are small numbers. But for the moon, that's big. When the samples made it back to Earth, labs around China got to work. What they found stunned the scientific community. Inside those lunar rocks, they identified hydrated minerals that contain water molecules. In some cases, the water made up nearly 40% of the material's mass, according to a 2022 paper published in the journal Nature Astronomy. This water might have two sources. Some came from solar winds, where hydrogen atoms collide with oxygen in lunar soil. But some of it might have come from beneath the moon's surface from deep, ancient volcanic activity. That means the moon isn't just dry and dead. It's a lot more complex than we thought. Now here's the big picture. Why does this matter? Because water on the moon could change how we explore space. Water is heavy. Launching it from Earth is expensive. But if we can extract water from lunar soil, we can support astronauts, grow food, and even make rocket fuel on the moon itself. A team of researchers, in collaboration with NASA and international partners, are already planning future missions, like Lunar Trailblazer, that will map lunar water in much higher detail. China's findings give them a major head start. Meanwhile, this discovery comes during a renewed space race between NASA and China. NASA's Artemis program plans to return astronauts to the moon in the next few years. China is also moving fast. They've announced plans for a lunar research station by the 2030s and have already landed on both the near and far sides of the moon. With these water discoveries, China now has valuable scientific and political leverage in space. So did China really find water on the moon? Yes, absolutely. Through both on-site measurements and detailed lab analysis, China's Chang'e mission confirmed the presence of water in lunar soil. While the water isn't like Earth's oceans, it exists. In measurable amounts, locked inside minerals and beads of volcanic glass. This changes how we think about the moon. And it pushes the boundaries of what's possible for future space missions. If you found this story interesting, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Do you think, should we build a moon base and mine lunar water? Thanks for watching Macroscope, where we explore the universe one mystery at a time. See you in the next video.